The 2016 Ferrari 488 GTB Tailor Made. This year's Tour Auto Optic 2000 hosted the French premiere of the Ferrari GTC4Lusso at the Grand Palais in Paris. The GTC4Lusso wasn't the only interesting Ferrari on the grounds of the historic site. There was also a one-off Ferrari 488 GTB that was customized by Tailor Made, Ferrari's customizing division, in association with the Parisian dealer, Charles Pozzi. More important than the fact that this 488 GTB is a one-off, is the fact that it was designed to pay homage to the Ferrari 308 Gr3 Pioneer that was once driven by Jean Claude Andruet, a two-time Tour de France auto winner in 1981 and 1982. This 488 features a livery on the outside and materials on the inside that closely resemble that of the car once driven by Andruet way back when. Of course, this 488 GTB also serves the purpose of showing off the customization potential available on all Ferrari models by Tailor Made. So, let's see how this 488 GTB stacks up against the car it was designed to pay homage to. Continue reading to learn more about the Ferrari 488 GTB Tailor Made. What makes the Ferrari 488 GTB Tailor Made special? Right away it's pretty clear that Tailor Made did a pretty good job replicating the livery that was used on the 308 Gr3 Pioneer. The primary, blue color shares the same shade as the 308 and features the same white accents along the bottom of the vehicle, the A-pillar, and the roof line. The Pioneer logo is displayed on the front fascia and the door just like the 308, and at the bottom of the doors, you can see the Pozzi and Michelin logos. Charles Pozzi has also been added to the front fascia, just ahead of the hood, which isn't a bad placement considering it was on the light covers of the 308. The wheels may be larger, but they are of a similar 5-spoke design and have the same gold finish. The calipers behind the wheels have been painted matte black. On the inside, red leather upholstery and a Grigio Casa matte aluminum floor bring the past to the present. There are also black matte carbon accents on the dash as well as a few bits of Alcantara to keep things luxurious. Outside of this, expect to see the same features that are seen on the standard 488 GTB, including the flat-bottom steering wheel, minimalistic center console, and simple instrument cluster. As far as the drivetrain goes, word has it that it has also been left unchanged. That means this tailor-made 488 features the same 3.9-liter 8-cylinder engine that produces 660 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque. That translates to a 0 to 62 sprint of 3 seconds and a sprint to 124 miles per hour in 8.3 seconds. Of course, this is nothing to complain about. The 488 is more than enough to make anyone happy, and the purpose of the car is to pay homage to the 308 Gr3 Pioneer, not impress the masses with increased power and performance. Ferrari 488 GTB. The Ferrari GTB came to be in the 2016 model year as a replacement for the 458 Italia. It was based on the 458 in the 2014 Ferrari LaFerrari. Since Ferrari had already switched over to engines that utilize forced induction, engineers decided to build a new engine instead, improving the 4.5-liter V8. The 488 GTB ended up with a 3.9-liter, turbocharged, V8 that pumped out 660 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque. The car can hit the 62 miles per hour sprint in 3 seconds flat and has an estimated speed of 205 miles per hour. As of the time of this writing, the 488 GTB starts out at $230,000, which isn't bad for what it is. However, keep in mind that once you start adding options and step into tailor-made territory, that price can increase significantly. Read our full review on the Ferrari 488 GTB here.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.